It's now 5 years since the inception of a great vision, which keeps exploring, developing, and building the leader within. Imagine Leaders Retreat, a conception that comes from a leader par excellence, the Right Reverend Dr. Babatunde F.R. Ogunbanwo, the Bishop of the Anglican Diocese of Ijebu Southwest. This year, 2020 Imagine Leaders Retreat will be a reunion retreat for every past participants. This year's Imagine Leaders Retreat will be coming up between Monday 26th to Wednesday 28th October 2020 at the Diocese of Ijebu Southwest Conference Center. It's an avenue to improve your leadership skills and evaluate your leadership ability so far. Conveners, the Right Reverend Dr. Babatunde F.R. and Mrs. Olatunde Ogunbanwo. For more inquiries, contact the program director, the Reverend Colonel Timothy Olaide, or call 08071692080. Announcer, the Diocesan Media Unit.